Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and visiting today. I thought I will do a kind of a video where I'm sharing with you the makeup. Alright, returning to the makeup that I have on. My hair is a little bit unruly. I have started with this Maybelline Baby Skin Primer, which I absolutely love. This is the Instant Pore Eraser Primer. You might remember that I have showed you this in my Maybelline Advent Calendar for 2022. And this is a very good pore filling primer. It's doing a great job on blurring those enlarged pores. Moving on, for the foundation, I have used a oldie but goodie. This is by Tarte. It's the Tarte Flex Hydroflex C foundation. I have mine in the shade 14N. I have noticed that it started to be a little bit like to separate, because when I've tried to use it a while ago, I just squeezed a little bit of the water before getting the foundation. So then I realized that you need to shake it, especially if you don't use it for a long time. You might want to shake this one, but I absolutely love the finish, the coverage and the longevity. I have a dedicated video for this. For my concealer, actually before I have added the foundation, I have added the Charlotte Tilbury, the Hollywood Flawless Filter. I just add it under my eyes, on the outer corner and a little bit on the upper points of my face. I didn't use it all over like a primer, but I know some people use it. And then I went with this corrector that I got from Stylevana. This is the Salmon Dark Circle corrector from the brand Skin Food, and this is more like a peachy tone. It helps to correct, but I still need a concealer on top, so that's why I went with the Tarte Powerflex concealer. This is in the shade 14N also. I actually have a review of this concealer. I never made it to edit, if you can believe me. So if you are interested about seeing the review on this concealer, please let me know. Moving on with eye makeup, I have used this tint from Dior, the Intensif-Eyes 5 colors power look in the shade 517. And let me show you, I have used this color all over my lid. I have used a little bit of this on my inner corner, but it's not visible because after that I have covered it with something else. And I have used this gray black shade with this brush. I also got the help of the Natasha Denona Glam palette to blend the transition and on my lower lashes, so I have used a couple of those shades. I have used this shade, and also this shade to serve for the transition and for the lower lashes, because we don't have any matte shade on this Dior print. I also used the ink liner that I got it in my NYX Advent Calendar. It's a brush tip applicator, and I was able to get a precise wing. This is the Epic Ink Liner. And I have finished everything with the mascara by Maybelline, the Colossal Go Extreme, which I also got it in the Maybelline Advent Calendar. It's a good mascara, but it's not enough for me, so that's why I have used what I have left on the Tartelette Tubing Mascara, which is old. I should toss it actually, because I have watched Tati's video and she was mentioning the sty she had on her eye. So I usually have problems with getting sty on my eyes. So this has over 3 months since I have it, but I cannot part ways because it's my favorite mascara. So I still use it. I will see. And also I have used as a cream bronzer this one by Tarte. I have used a lot of Tarte products. This is the Breezy cream bronzer in the shade Seychelles, also another favorite of mine. And as a setting powder, I have used my Becca on my under eye area, but I don't want to show you that because it's discontinued. And for my rest of the face, I have used the Wet n Wild Photo Focus translucent setting powder, which is my absolute setting powder, favorite setting powder at the moment. And for my rest of the face makeup, I have used this Hourglass Ambient Light Edit powder. This is volume 4, is my first and most loved Hourglass Ambient palette. I should also toss it, but I still use it. And I have used the bronzer, the blush, the highlighter, and also I have used the finishing powder. And for my lips, I have used NARS. This is the Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in the shade Promiscuous, which is like orchid shade, I will say. And on top, I just add a dab of a lip gloss from NYX, the Creme Brulee. Also got it in Advent calendar. So yeah, this is the face of the day, the outfit of the day, and the dress. If you are interested, I can let you know that I have it from a store called Orsay, and I have it from several years. So yeah guys, thank you so much again for stopping by and visiting today. Don't forget that the most beautiful makeup is your own smile, and I'm going to see you soon with another video. Bye you guys!